Alright, so here is the new reverse light Radiance kit installed in the 2019 Raptor. Of course, this works on the 2017, 18, and 19. The Radiance rigid light is a light that has a halo glow, kind of a low tone light. It comes in red, amber, white, blue, and green. In this application, as you see with the Raptor, you have the red marker lights in the rear, the red tail lights, and so on. So this matches really well. So this kind of gives you that cool effect, like, you know, you can get in the front. All right, so now I went ahead and turned on the reverse lights. Again, these were the red Radiance lights. These are the standard Radiance lights with the single LED, not quite as bright as the new scene version. Again, with 4 LEDs, you can go with either one, still give you that same red glow here for the back. But when you're going in reverse, or when you flip that switch so you can have light behind you, that gives you that ability as well. So you've got lights in the front, you've got lights in the back, you've covered all your bases.